Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pedro. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Guys, if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, and also you can like and comment on this video, and you can share your experience so far using different strategy on this channel. Guys, today I'm going to be drawing out an analysis on crash 1000. But before we go on crash 1000, I want you guys to see our previous video that we made 2 days ago, how when we draw the technical analysis for boom 1000 on higher time frames, and how I told you guys to take your trade on higher time frames. You see, now you can, this strategy is very wonderful and you can use it on your smartphone. You just on your auto rotation, then you have your bend, you have your horizontal view. So with this, it can help you to analyze. You see, that's exactly what I'm using this moment. You see, this is boom 1000. I just want to show you guys an update and see what the market really did for us since we have released the video. You see, this is boom 1000 4 hours time frame. You can see that we have a downtrend at this level, which I told you guys that we are going to be having our market at these areas, at this level. And we can see now the market currently now is at this level, which I enter my trade. You see that I enter with the lowest which is 0.01. You see, 0.01. If this market respect my level and it begin to what, to take out a spike to this level, you know how much, even no matter how much little it is, you will see that this strategy is what is working. You just, as you know, forex is all about risk, and if I want to use this, I will advise you guys to use it on your on your demo account first before trying it on your real account. But this account is real account, so that's exactly what I'm telling you guys. So guys, I'm going to be updating you soon on this video, so you just follow up. If you are not seeing this video, you can check my video that I released 2 days ago, so you can have the details, how we draw out our analysis, how we set it up on our on our 1 hour time frames, and how we can see what next in our 1 hour time frames. Guys, you see, so this is exactly what I told you guys that is going to happen. So you see, now I've already entered my trade. Now you see, currently now I'm in loss now, maybe 0.05. You see that. So but before the next 24 hours, I know this market is going to what, is going to be on a uptrend, a big one uptrend. So guys, today we are going on what, we are going on crash 1000. So crash 1000 is exactly what we are going to be checking out today, guys. So I'm going to show you guys what is exactly is happening on 1000, on crash 1000. So let me delete all this analysis. This is what I have done before. You see, I just want to show you guys so that you guys can we can start from crash, so that you also can know how this really works. So guys, let me bend it so that you guys can see the move of the market. We are currently, now we have our crash 1000 on 1 hour time frames, and we can see that we have a trade that is moving on a uptrend to this level, and it come to a downtrend here, and it move on a uptrend here, and it move again, and it keep on what, moving on the what, on the uptrend at this level. You see now. So but this is not exactly what we are going to be doing. We are going to be first checking out what is happening in the market in a day time frames, in a day time frame. So you have to see, you have to have the view clear of the market from a day time frames. So guys, we are going to be checking our 1 day time frames, and that is where we are going to be starting from. So to start from now, we are going to identify our support and resistance level first. So these are the two area important that you need to what, you need to first set it up. You see, we have the lowest trade that we have here is in this level. As you can see now, is in this level here, this area. The lowest area that we can identify is this area as the view is now. And we have another uptrend, another uptrend from this level that move on a downtrend to this level. You see, it begins to what, it begins to give us a what, a zigzag level here. But guys, I'm going to tell you that we are going to be drawing out another support resistance zone at that particular level for you guys to watch, to see, and to identify those areas. They are very important. Those areas are very what are very important, because when trade get to that particular place, there's always a 90% accuracy that there's going to be a pushback. Even if I thought that it's going to break it's going to break this resistance, you still have to respect that pullback before it break it. So guys, so you can easily identify the support and the resistance area now in a high time frames now. So now let's go to our 4 hours time frames. Let's see how the charts look like in 4 hours time frames, and from there we can identify what is exactly going on 4 hour time frames. You can see from this level now we have our markets on a downtrend here, which reach our support areas and giving us a market at this level, and begin to give us a zigzag market before it respect an uptrend from this level. You see, an uptrend keep on moving here, and it keep on moving up to this level. And if you check this level very well, you will see that it respect a uptrend, which you can identify with your with your trend line. You can use that to analyze your trend. You can use it to identify your trend line. So now we are going to be drawing out the trend line to see what the market is about to do. You see that we are having that clear and perfect. So now we are going to be drawing the downside of the trend line, so that we can identify those areas too. You see, so we are going to be identify them also. We're going to be identify them also. So guys, you can also do it the way I'm doing it here on my charts. So it's going to help you guys also to know what exactly the market is, so that you cannot just buy when you don't need to buy. You cannot just enter the market when you don't need to enter the market. So guys, as you can see now, we have a uptrend move here. It keep on to to give us a market, and from here it's move on the downtrend, which break the level, which break the support area up to this level. You see that it break it up here, and it begin to give us a downtrend, and it give us a uptrend up to this moment, and it give us another downtrend. So it begins to give us a zigzag analysis here. Yeah, I always told you guys that anytime you draw out your trend line, make sure you identify the rejection and the support area here, like this particular zone. So I'm going to be drawing it out now for you guys to see. We have a rejection zone here. We have a rejection zone at this particular level now, you see. So you are going to identify that out, because anytime you have a market reaching that particular level, there's probability of pushing back, of pulling back here at this level. You see, when these markets reach this particular level, you see, from this uh, joint together trend line, you can see down it's reached here, and there is a pullback here, and same thing happen here. It break it here, and it come back it begin to open a zigzag market on it before it respect it on that level. So guys, we are having one here, we are having another one at this downside. So we are going to be identify every one of them. We are going to be identify every one of them. So if you identify it in a very correct areas, you can able to see what the market is having for you. You see, you know that the next market, if market break this level, is going to come down to this level and respect this level. You see, that is exactly what happened in the market, and keep on a uptrend. That is on 4 hours time frames. So guys, we have another one here, which is this area. We have another one at this area. You see, at this area, but we can leave that one, since we are but it is very a must for you to identify those areas too, so that you will not forget. You can identify it, so that I don't want this video to be too long, so I don't only taking much time for it. So guys, I've identified it now, so we can easily move forward and see what the market is holding for us today. So guys, you see that. So now today, now we are having this trend, this level, and we are having this our down area here. we are having this one here. So now you see that this market respects this level and it keep on the uptrend up to this here, and it break it up from this level, so giving us another what, another uptrend at this level. You see that? So guys, so now as you are can able to what, identify something on 4 hour time frames, then you can what, you can go to, we need to go to 1 hour time frames to see what the market is doing in 1 hour time frames. You see now, this is 1 hour time frames, and we can easily identify those areas. You see now we have a trade at this level, which give us an uptrend, and there is a breakout of the market, and it keep on giving us another what, another uptrend to this level, and there is a breakout in the market. So guys, today now we are going to be drawing out something again in 1 hour time frame. What do you see? What are the level that you can identify on 1 hour time frame? You see now we have our support area at this level now, which give us a what, a support area, and it give us an uptrend from this particular level up to this level. You see, it give us an uptrend up to this level. So guys, what you are going to be doing next now is for you to identify those areas that we need to identify. So currently now the market is coming on a uptrend there, moving on a downtrend there, uptrend there, downtrend there, then moving on a uptrend now. So now guys, as I told you guys now before, that we have a what, a support level at the upper side, at the upper area, which is this level. You see this level. So we have a what, a support at the areas of this level. So if you check that area very well, you will see that we are having something in common in all of them now. So now we are going to be drawing them out. We are going to be marking this area. We are going to be marking it area because they are very important. So this serves as a resistance zone for us. It serves as a resistance zone for us, that where exactly the market is now. Currently now we have the market on that area. You see, it break it out from this level, but let me tell you, it's going to respect it from some hours now. So it's going to respect it for some hours. So guys, we know that this market is between this particular area and this particular area that we can, what we can see. So now currently now we know that this market is coming on a pullback here, and if you can check here, we have a common area here which we can mark as our trend line. We can use our trend line to what, to mark those areas too, if they are very important. So you see, we can use it to what, to mark those areas. And when you mark those areas, you can see this is exactly what is going to happen in the market. uh, you see, you can mark this area, and let's check another one. So we can mark these areas. You see, this video is too long because I'm just drawing everything out for you guys, so that you also can what, can check it out. You see, the market move on a down uptrend here, and it moved to this downtrend. It break it up from this level and give us another uptrend now. You see, we have another breakout here which go on a uptrend, and see what the market is exactly doing. So what you are going to be doing this guy now is that you are going to be marking out every support areas on the trend line, so that you can identify where the next market is going to, what is going to move. So the first trend line that we are going to be identify is the support area. You see, we have the support area here. We have already have the support area at this level, so we don't need to draw anything. And same thing happen here. So what the next place that we need to identify is this area. We are going to identify this area. We are going to identify this area, and this area. So let me draw that out for you guys. So guys, this is exactly what I told you guys, so that you see. So now I've drawn out the analysis for you guys. So now we know that this market is respecting this. If it respects this particular area, it's going to go on a downtrend up to this level. It's going to come down up to this level. You see that? So now currently now we know that this market is on a support, is on a resistance level now. So you don't take the market on that support, on that resistance level, because you don't know what the market might do. Maybe it's going to go on a uptrend or pullback. So we have to let the market leave these support areas and begin to work to give us a respect areas. So that's exactly what is going to happen on Clash 1000 1 hour time frames. So guys, I wish you all best of luck. And also, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and give us a likes and comment on this channel. Share your experience so far using different strategy on this channel. And also you can join our Telegram group. It's available for you guys in the description of the video. Thanks.